Hey everyone, welcome to Fan Flag Showcase 6. This is the prompt video where we tell you the rules of the flag design. For this showcase, we want you to create a flag with exactly 4 colors. This prompt was suggested to us by Mystery Guy. According to the principles of flag design, a flag should ideally have 2 or 3 colors, but there are many great flags that break this recommendation and use 4 colors. Examples of these include the national flags of East Timor, Papua New Guinea, Togo and Tanzania. For our showcase, the flag can represent almost anything you want. A country, city, personal flag, basically whatever you want, as long as it's not something controversial or offensive. To enter, send your flag image file to flagthisvideos@gmail.com. In the subject line, please use Showcase 6. As well as the flag image file, please include your name or nickname. If you don't want to use your real name, then use a nickname. Also tell us what your flag represents. Please also include the symbolism of your flag. The closing date for entries is June 10th, 2022. In the next video, we will show you all the qualified entrants, and this video will have a link where you guys will rank each of the flags. In the video after that, we will announce the results and review the winning flag. Here are some quick rules. The flag image must be digital. We will not accept hand-drawn images. Also, please don't include anything controversial or offensive, as those will not be accepted. Also, check out the YouTube contest policies and guidelines in the description of this video. So that's everything you need to know. If you haven't watched it already, go check out our introduction video to this new series where you can find some extra information about the series. The link is in the description. Good luck to everyone and have fun creating your flag. See you guys next time.